Lily, where are we going?
We're going the beach.
Again.
Okay. Thank you. Rain clouds in the distance. You having fun? Because the rain is coming. Look at that. That's a lot of rain coming in our direction. We're back at the hotel. Are you sad, Lily? Why?
Because I love the beach.
Well, now we're just waiting for lunch. So Lily, that is an Eevee.
Eevee.
What's this one?
Pikachu.
What's this one?
Pokemon.
Pokeball.
Pokeball.
What's this one?
Penguin.
Is it? I don't know who this one is.
You lagi prefer I ke Zul jadi co-pilot? Zul, sorry. Dia lagi prefer I jadi co-pilot.